hey, let's get gloved up. Probably about 10 days or 2 weeks ago about us getting chickens. Well, I've been putting hay in their little cage, but over the course of time, it's full of poop. It's nasty and it's got to be cleaned. The only way to do it is to pull it out with my hands. So I'm getting gloved up, and Mom has always said, do not breathe chicken poop. Like if you go in a nasty coop or something like that, cover your mouth. So here, Mom, I'm putting this on so I'm not breathing the chicken poop smell. I put this down, that way they don't peck my arms. But as you see, this is wet in here. They're really good at spilling water and using the bathroom everywhere. So let's start with this one right here and we'll see how this goes. Hey girl, get back. Get back. I have a wheelbarrow sitting there. We use that whenever we clean the rabbit cages. So I already throw poop in it. It's okay, girl. Get back. It's okay. This one is Pocahontas. We did have this other big chicken over here with her, but Pocahontas was losing a ton of feathers. This chicken right here was pulling her feathers out, so we had to separate them. We got to clean that water here in a minute. Turn all this mess out. The poop can't fall through the wire because it's 1/2-inch hardware cloth. So I figured the easiest way to do it would be throw hay in there. That way I could just do like this right here and clean it. We have got hay thrown down underneath here, and these chickens scratch out probably 3/4 of the food that we give them. But guys, this is just a temporary setup. We're going to be building a chicken coop, so this won't be happening constantly because I certainly don't want that to be drawing in mice and rats. Okay, on to the next cage. This one is twice as much fun because I have 2 chickens in here. Move, get back. Let's clean this out. Let's clean this out. Get back. Get back. This one was actually turned into a big mat. Shoo. Get back. You want those blue gloves, don't you? You want those gloves? Yes, you do. Yes, you want those gloves. You can't have them. All right. One more to go. I don't have to get the one up on the end with the single chicken in there. Because we just put her over there like a couple of days ago and everything is still dry. These little fellas like to turn their water over. Guys, we do not let them stay with the water turned over. This is morning. Ow! Get! 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 But we come out here multiple times a day and fix their water. Get back! Get back! Come on, get back! Okay, I can take my gloves off now and hopefully see what I'm doing here in a second because my glasses steamed up. I have another wheelbarrow over here that we have fresh hay in. We use that for putting in the bottom of the chicken cages and in the rabbits. So let me move this one out of the way and then I'll bring my fresh one down. Throwing our floor out again. Oh, hey. Dry hay. Yeah. You got some more dry to lay down, don't you, girl? There. You gotta get back. You gotta get back. I'll get you some more food in a minute. Come here, get back. There you go. Get back. No. Here, get back. There. They spend hours scratching in this hay. We just cut a ton of hay, so I don't care to throw a bunch extra in here for them. Jackson, you're keeping them distracted.
Here you go. Here's your meat feed. Thanks, I got some more. I got some more for you. And then give you Hey. Mom, it's raining hay.
I know it's raining hay. Trying to get a good mat down to keep the chickens busy.
Chicken. Chicken.
Okay, we gotta get set up to put their water back down. Okay. These chickens are saying, where's my breakfast?
They got their breakfast.
Well, they've got those leaves, but they've not had their scratch yet.
Here. Here. This is for the done.
Okay. I like these waters that have the metal on the bottom of it. They're a lot heavier than the plastic ones, and it's harder for the chickens to turn it over. The first one that we bought was plastic, and it got turned over constantly. But these, it's just a little bit harder, and we also put those boards in there on the wire. Plenty of hay in that. Ugh. Life on a farm, guys. It's not always glamorous. Okay. Jackson, don't trip on the water, okay? Okay, chickie chicks.
Okay.
Back up. Here's your water. There you go. I know you're thirsty. Wonder how long that'll stay upright this time.
Mommy.
What, honey? Back up. There's your water. Hang on, Pocahontas. I'll go get your water too. I go get your water too. She's not nearly as bad about knocking water over as those younger ones are. Okay. Sometimes you just can't do everything one-handed. Here you go, girl. There you go. There's you some water. There's you some water. And this chicken still has plenty of water. Now it's time to go get the grain for them. Oh, you're still plenty. Well, here's a little bit. You're not getting your head in here, are you? Are you? Here, you spoiled chickie. Here. Rotten chickens. Oh, rotten chicken. Here, get back. Here. There you go. We do feed the chickens greens like Jackson is doing. We feed them scraps. So they get fed several times a day. You've already pushed your water off. Come on. Come on. Move. Get out. Get out. Get out. You look like you're starved. I promise you. And it's empty. Again. It all got dumped. Just that fast. I'm really glad that this is a temporary setup, because we want their food down on the ground where when they knock it out, they can still pick it up and eat it. And we want the water where we don't have to check probably 8 or 10 times a day to make sure that they have water. But guys, this was cleaning the coops for my very first time. Food and water for the chickens. Thanks for coming along. Hope you guys liked the video. See you on the next one.